Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and this channel is all about me as a mother of three, showing you how to save money on your party decor. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this adorable cupcake balloon, perfect for props. If you guys want to learn how to make this, well, keep on watching. Also, if you haven't done it yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Without further ado, let's get to it. made this adorable props. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was so simple to make. Everything can be bought either at the dollar store or on Amazon. So very simple to make, and it makes such great props, especially for pictures. So if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.